What's up, YouTube? It's Ben again, and today I got a new unboxing for you guys. And guess what? This is a brand new release from Nike, and it's part of the Blueprint prototype colorway by Bowerman, I guess. So it's the Nike Air Zoom Alphafly Next Percent 3 in the Blueprint colorway. So it's mostly white and blue, and I'm a normal size 10 US. And open it up, it comes with a white string bag. I think all of the models in this Blueprint pack comes with the string bag. So it's just a white string bag with a blue Nike swoosh on the front, and Bowerman wording with a Nike swoosh and prototype wording on the back with blue strings. And let's take the sneakers out. So it's running shoes. So I decided to buy this pair because I think that these are unique running shoes, and I would like to try it on because I started running in the past few months to practice my breathing and stuff, just to be better in my soccer journey. So this pair comes with a very see-through and very like thin material upper. I think I'm not sure if it's Flyknit, but it's gonna be very thin. You can see through when you wear it, and it has a big Nike swoosh in blue on the side. They have the Air Zoom unit in the outsole, and I think that this shoes fit very comfortable. It fits weird at first because I'm not used to the outsole, but the fit is very comfortable overall. So it's a very thick outsole with the Air Zoom, and then Nike Alpha 3 on a side, and then Nike Zoom X on a side. And on the upper, it features a white and blue Nike swoosh with thin materials, Flyknit, and we have a heel tab in orange, and yeah, a smaller Nike swoosh on the back heel on the side. And the insole, you'll get, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but you can see the Bowerman in the prototype with the you guys can see inside it's featuring like the printing of your feet in blue. And yeah, and this is the other pair. Here's the outsole. You get the orange and black on the upper half, and then just all white on the lower half. Yeah guys, that's it for my unboxing, and hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Peace.